Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are we doing? Are we good? As you have seen by the title, I am doing a Primark haul. If you've been on my channel for a long time, you would know I haven't done a Primark haul in, like, I want to say way over a year. Whenever I've gone, it's just been like here and there. I've been picking up bits. Like, it's never been I've done a massive shop. I've been to a few different Primarks recently. I haven't really been picking up much. So what I've done is I've done more of a collective kind of random Primark haul. You're probably clicking on this video hoping to see like what everyone else is doing, you know, the loads of clothes or loads of homeware, loads of this, loads of that. It's just kind of random. So if you like random Primark hauls, because they're more realistic, then keep watching. Hi, before the Primark haul starts, I just wanted to quickly show you a pair of shoes. I've done this in a vlog a few months back, so I just want to show you these because these are such a popular shoe at the moment. And I've got a little dupe for you. You already know I'm going to show you the famous Gucci slider. These are replicas, but they are amazing quality. Like, it's a joke. I'll show you. They do come in, of course, the Gucci box, and it is like textured. Like, it's not just smacked and printed on there. And then once you open it, this is what you see. You have a little Gucci dust bag, and then you have Gucci paper. Look, you've seen them already. I'm gonna get straight into it. The platform Gucci slides. I've wanted these for so long, and I'm so excited, and I'm so glad I've got them in my hands. As you can see, good quality shoe. They're really comfortable as well, even though they're platform. So you can see all the details. It says Gucci here. It's got the bigger print of Gucci and then the smaller print. You know, it's all there. This is what it will look like when you get it out of the box. So if you've had your eye on these shoes just like I have for the longest time, and you don't want to pay the price for them because they are so pricey, make sure to check out the link in my description box. I also do have a discount code so you can get it cheaper. They also do things like Dunks and Air Jordans. They literally do absolutely everything on that site. Hope you enjoyed my mini unboxing of these sandals, and we'll get into the Primark haul. So there is actually one thing in the haul that I'm not going to show. I'll pop up a picture here of the vase I got. I was looking for a vase for absolutely ages and I just couldn't find the one. Then I saw this in Primark and it was reduced for £3. Don't know why. There was nothing wrong with it. It's really cute. You see, I grabbed that in one of my many trips and I really like that. I don't have that to hand because currently it's got dead flowers in. So hopefully the picture I'm inserting is a picture that my boyfriend's got me some fresh flowers. Yeah, let's get on to some clothes. So let's just go on to these bodysuits here. I'm obsessed with these. If you follow me on TikTok, I done like a little work OOTD and I was wearing one of these. So this is the bodysuit I was wearing. These are never hung up, by the way. I feel like it's a bit useful because you know when like people find something, like where have you found that? So I'm going to help you out a bit from like places I found them. So these are like folded up on the little tables. They're never hung up. If you go towards like the vest bits, because I found this in every Primark I've been in, they're all like in the same locations. If you look for like the little cami vests that are folded up on the table, look in that type of area. These are there. I've just popped it on my own hanger. I do normally grab them in a 2 extra small, but this time there was only an extra small, which I guess is fine. I've got about 3 of these black ones because I like to wear them to work and I like to wear them out. I just wear them with black flares. Really nice quality and wash well. So I've got the black one, then I've got a white one. See, I've got this in a 2 extra small, so this one fits better. And then I actually grabbed one in this orange. I was obsessed with this. They've got so many colours. They've got like pink, they've got blue, they've got orange, they've got green, black, white, every colour. The fit on them is so nice, like on the neck and the shoulders, and I don't find they're suffocating, and they are clippy bottom and a thong. By the way, not everything that I've been collecting from Primark is in these bags. These are just the things that I've, one, been too lazy to take out the bags, or 2, remembered to take out. So some of it is like been worn and stuff, so I haven't shown it. Look at these underwear sets. Yeah. Would I choose Primark underwear over any other brands? Yes. Look at these colours together, first of all. This yellow and this, like, fuchsia. So unreal. Literally, I saw this and I said to my boyfriend, I was like, I'm grabbing that. He was like, yeah, cool. And I was like, I'm going to grab 2. And he looked at me and I was like, put one back. Because why do I need 2? I don't actually know my bra size. So whenever I pick up bras, I kind of just wing it. £5. Oh, I forgot to tell you the prices. These little tops, these are £4. We've got the wiring and the clips on the back, and then a thong, more like a G-string. Bloody hell, that's gonna get lost, isn't it? But this colour is absolutely unreal. If you see this, pick it up. Because I haven't seen that in my Primark. This was in a Primark like 20 minutes away from me or something. And then the yellow. I'm pretty sure I have seen the yellow before. The yellow is really cute. Again, £5. I actually think I've got more Yeah, I do. I've just thought, because that's what I got yesterday, but then I remember I went into my local Primark and got these two. Okay, so cutesy and pastel, bloody neon. Two different spectrums. I mean, fit, absolutely fit colours. Love the pastels and love the neons. Are they a bit in your face? Yes, but they will make me look tanned as anything. Again, at £5. I really like the lace on them, and they're so flattering. And you've got adjustable straps. And then the neon pink. It doesn't look as neon on camera. It looks more coral. Trust me, that is pretty neon. So, yeah, I've got these 4 sets. Literally £20 on underwear, let alone. This top. This is so cute. Now, at the moment when I've been shopping, I've been trying to look at things and think of them in a different perspective. Why have I got my hand on my head? I don't know. Normally, I'd look at this top and think, no. But then if I was to see this on someone else, I'd be like, that looks really nice. I'm going to Venice in November, so I thought this would look really nice with some like white flowy shorts or white flowy trousers. Or if you have white denim shorts, it would look really nice. I know everyone says this these days, but Primark prices have gone up. They have. I'm sorry, they have. £9 for this little top. And first of all, it's not even in my size. I've got it in a 6. So it's a little bit big. It kind of has that corset bustier vibe, and then the ruche kind of stretched back, and the peplum design at the bottom. It's just so much going on in one, but I loved it. Really nice sage green colour. I think they have this in other colours, but I'm not sure. The straps aren't adjustable. For £9, you want to be adjustable. Then I grabbed a little gym top. This was only £4, I think. Yeah, £4. I grabbed this in an extra small. It is a little bit long. Like, can you see that's really long? I wanted to wear it with like gym shorts because I want to motivate myself to exercise, like whether that's walking or just like a couple of sit-ups. It is good quality and it's nice. I've had Primark gym wear before. I do actually have a pair of shorts from there. Stay there, let me grab them. These are she. See, this is what I said. Like, I've done so many trips and I've like worn stuff, so I put them away, but they just reminded me. Anyway, so yeah, I grabbed these. Again, not in my size. I'm so annoying. Like, why am I wasting my money? Like, it doesn't even fit. I got these in a extra small. If they had 2 extra small, I would have been happy. I think they look quite cute together. This is really good quality for £4. You can't knock it. I grabbed this in an extra small as well. Let's go into pyjamas. Now, I've worn these, so they do have fake tan on. I didn't grab these in my local Primark, and I keep going back to every Primark to try find these because I wanted to get another pair. These are such a soft material. Like, they're so flattering, and the shorts are like little boxers. Little boxer moment. Do make you look like you have a bit of a camel toe. Lace trimming along the bottom. I've got fake, yeah, a bit of fake tan on there, but they're really soft. Are these in my size? No, an extra small again. Didn't have a 2 extra small, which is a bit sad. But it does have adjustable straps, and they're really cute for just, you know, chilling in, lounging around in. Then I grabbed another pair. These are actually 2 extra small. Similar kind of vibe with the 2 buttons there with the black trimming. I don't know how much these were, by the way. I've just remembered. I don't know. £10? Maybe? Probably. Not as soft as the other ones, but still soft. Black lace trimming again. These were £7. I grabbed these in a 2 extra small. I've already said that. These give me boxer vibes, you know, with the little buttons down them. You know those boxers? Yeah. Love Primark pyjamas. If you don't like Primark pyjamas, what is wrong with you? I have multiple of something, so I'll show you them last. With a little pencil case. I saw this ages ago, and I really wanted it, but then I thought to myself, why do you actually want that? Because they have a bigger like makeup bag version. I actually thought of a use for it. I have recently got a bag and it's a lot bigger, and I seem to lose everything in it. My small bag, I can never find anything, and now my big bag, I can't. But I wanted this for things like my lip liner and my lip balm, all little bits like that that you always lose at the bottom of your bag. So it's a pink velour material with diamante, yeah, little diamante butterfly, and then there is a butterfly on the zip. This was £3. I know, look, you've got detailing, your velour, maybe £2, maybe. I think the big one was like £6. But I can't wait to use this because I really wanted it and I found a use for it. So I'm really happy about that. If you know, you know. Primark lip liner. So I even want to tell you the colour I use. I don't know if I do. Like, I'm not a gatekeeper, but I swear on my life, I've been trying months to get this. Like, I normally, because I bought it once, and then I got home, tried it, and was obsessed, so I went back and bought like 3 more, and then I used them all, and then I grabbed like another one, and then since then, gone, vanished off the planet. Primark didn't even have any lip liners for months, so what is that about? And then the other day I saw in my local Primark they had some, so I did grab 5, although she only scanned 4. But I saw her only scan 4, like it clearly got lost in the basket. But I'm too scared, like I will not say anything. So I was like, what if there was actually 4 in there and I thought there was 5 and she was like, there's actually 4 in there, look. She wouldn't do that, but I'm just a panicker. Anyway, and then I grabbed another 2 when I went to a different Primark the other day because they had some. Okay, I'll tell you, but it's fine because only my subscribers will know that I use this lip liner. It's what I've got now. It's called Foxy Nude. Shh. Keep that zipped. Don't tell anyone because it's a beautiful colour. I love it. It's what I always wear. Because it looks fairly natural, I think. I literally only wear lip liner on my lips. You know? You know. So every time I see one, I will proceed to pick one up. And they're only £1, so they're so good and they sharpen well and they're super soft. Another underwear set. I was a bit disappointed in this because I looked at the front, I was like, really cute. But then it's like a brief back. No, don't like that. So, and you can't return underwear, so that's sick. Love the top though. Got a thick waistband. I guess you could use them as like when you're on your period. I don't know. Thick waistband just says love to lounge. Oh, that's cute. Gives me lounge vibes. Has adjustable straps. I got a 2 extra small again, and these were £7. I wish I could get my £7 back because it's not a thong back. They had these in black and a few other colours. It's like a ribbed material and like a grey marl. Grey marl. And then I got this for Venice as well. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? I mean, the back, look, it shows the bow, but that's a bit confusing. I don't know, I wanted the black one as well, but like that's not going to sharpen my hair because my hair is dark brown. With like a half up, half down hair thing, and then stick this on the back. Can you see? That's what I wanted to do. £2 if I didn't say it already. It's a satin material, it's really big, which I wanted. I'd only ever wear it for a photo. Or in Venice, and that's it. And then in this last bag is, can you guess? If you know, you know. Ribbed seamless sets. Now I want to have a little talk with you, Primark. Why have you got rid of these? Because every Primark I've been in, gone. Vanished off the planet. Why would you do that? It's literally summer. Why would you not want us to buy them? Because you have made so much money. I know you've made so much money out of these because everyone and their mums and dogs, cats have them. Why have you got rid of them? I'm so obsessed with them and I'm trying to collect like every single one. But I can't do that because you've removed it. I really want the orange leggings. I grabbed the orange shorts the other day. Like they were there and I'm pretty sure they was like reduced. So I got them. I have got literally every colour. I've got the black, I've got the beige. I've got the green as well, like the light green, but I forgot about them and I'm not getting back up because I've got enough to show you here. Anyway, so let me just talk about this one. Primark Kids section, yes please. So I love how the top is actually hanging off like that. I haven't tried this on, so I don't know if it's gonna fit or be like, it looks a little bit big on the waist, I don't know. Size small in the kids, ribbed seamless, again, beautiful sage colour. Then actually comes with a crop. I mean, is this a bit cropped for a little person? I feel like that is, you know, but I don't care because I'm gonna have it. Again, these are gone. There's nowhere. I literally saw them all over TikTok. I really wanted them. I wanted the yellow, I wanted the pink, I wanted all the colours. And then my local Primark, no, not there. 120 minutes away, no. Where did I get this? I got this in, I think when I went to Canterbury. Yeah, I got this when I went to Canterbury. Luckily they had one and it was size small, so I was like, size small do, I don't know. It doesn't say what that is. Only £6 for the whole set, which I thought was really good. Thick ribbed material. Then let's go on to these. So I first of all got the simple crops. I grabbed these in a 2 extra small. If there's not a 2 extra small there, I just grab an extra small, but the 2 extra small fits better. Got the crop sleeves, but they're kind of long, which I like. Just thick and ribbed. I'm not going to talk about them too much because you've already seen them all over TikTok, but they're really nice. I'm sorry that you can't get hold of these and I'm literally shoving them in your face right now. That's the orange. And then I've got the hot pink, again in 2 extra small. Then I've got the baby pink. I actually got this one ages ago. Then the cobalt blue. Is it cobalt or cobalt? Wait, I just said the same. Cobalt. Cobalt? Cobalt. No, I'm saying it the same way, aren't I? The orange shorts I've been searching for forever. Just need the leggings. And then I grabbed the shorts of these. Those ones. And then the racer. I've got every colour of the racer except the light pink. The only thing is, I don't know why I've actually got these because I don't like how long they are. So I would have to roll them. Love how I'm just showing, not talking. Nice. So as I said, I do have the black. I do have the beige, the green, like leggings. I do have the black shorts as well. Got them all because I'm crazy. Jokes. No, that's fair. For one of each colour. Anyway, guys, that's the end of my Primark haul. It was a bit short. It was a bit bad because it was all over the place. Bit of underwear there, lip liner, clothes that I barely spoke about. If you like Primark hauls, let me know. I mean, tell me a good Primark to go to that's not too far away. I mean, how are you going to know where I live? You don't. If you liked this haul, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. We're on the road to 20k. Other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.